This video walkthrough will focus on the last of the 3 core functions of Leadfeeder: Connect. Up until this point, you have identified what companies have visited your website and have narrowed down which companies fit your ideal customer profile. And now, the last step of the process is to engage with these companies to push them forward in your sales cycle. By using Leadfeeder's Contacts feature in conjunction with LinkedIn, you'll be able to find the key stakeholders you should be reaching out to at each company. Within each company profile, you'll see a list of free contacts sourced from trusted third-party data providers, which offer Leadfeeder users approximately 90% accuracy. The information made available includes a combination of or all, depending on the data quality available, name, title, location, email address, and social profiles. When you click on the email icon, it'll open up your default email client, such as Gmail or Outlook, and reveal the email address for this particular contact. When you hover over the Twitter icon, you can see the contact's latest tweet, and you can also click on the icon to view the person's Twitter profile. And for LinkedIn and Facebook, you can navigate directly to the person's respective profiles by clicking on the icons. And to save time from scrolling through pages of contacts, we give you the ability to sort the list by countries, roles, and seniority level, as well as specific name, job function, title, and/or role. Once you add the sort filters, we'll show the most relevant contacts at the beginning of the list. If we don't yet have the contacts you're looking for, you can also leverage LinkedIn Search to find the key decision makers you should be engaging with. For your convenience, you can click on the Find Contacts on LinkedIn button. From there, click on All Filters and narrow down your search by key factors such as location and the job title or function of your ideal customer profile. As a reminder, Leadfeeder provides key details such as the location of the visitor and pages viewed to help you determine what your search filter should be. Once you identify a few key stakeholders, you can start following them on LinkedIn by clicking on the Follow button within your profiles. So even if you're not connected to them, following them allows you to see all of their activities in your LinkedIn feed, such as articles they post or discussions they comment on. Then from there, you can post meaningful comments on their activity to start building a relationship. Whether you do outreach through phone, email, or social channels, just remember that every interaction you have with a lead should always be personalized and provide value. For more sales tips, check out our blog. Have more questions? Feel free to reach out to our support or browse the many helpful articles and videos in our Help Center.